Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here, and today I'm diving into a pair of running shoes that are changing the game. The Asics Gel Nimbus 26. As someone who's at the gym almost every day and running consistently, to stay fit, having the right pair of shoes is non-negotiable. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a long distance run or recovering with an easy jog, the Gel Nimbus 26 promises comfort, stability, and durability. So guys, in this review, we're actually gonna go and unbox the shoes. We're gonna have a look at them. We're gonna go and test out some of the features. We're gonna try them on. We're gonna have a look so you guys can see exactly whether you want to purchase these shoes. And we've done another number of other shoe reviews as well, which you can check in the description. And as you can see, I literally just came back from the gym just then, so check. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell so you never miss my fitness gear reviews. So I have a high arch, which means I need extra support to keep my feet comfortable and stable during runs. The Gel Nimbus 26 offers just that. It's a neutral running shoe designed for those who are either normal or high arches, and it helps absorb shock and even distribute pressure during your stride. Now with an 8mm heel drop and a weight of just over 300 grams and maximum cushioning, these shoes feel incredibly responsive and comfortable. Perfect for road running and recovery runs, which is quite important. Now I do have separate shoes for weightlifting and also for running, so I don't use these for weightlifting. Reason being is if you use these type of shoes with weightlifting, the cushions get depressed very quickly. So right out of the box, these shoes impressed me. First thing you notice is the soft engineered knit upper, which wraps around your foot like a glove. It's breathable, stretchy, and feels plush, making it a great fit for long runs. The tongue and collar are knit as well, which adds to the comfort and eliminates any hot spots or rubbing. I do have to break these in, as they're called. So how do they feel during runs? Well, these shoes feel amazing. The FF Blast Plus Eco Foam cushioning gives you a soft yet stable landing, and the added Pure Gel technology you can really feel in the heel. Provides lightweight impact absorption. You see, my shins and knees get sore when I run a lot, so having shoes that reduces that impact is quite good. I generally run on treadmills a lot, but when I run on the roads, I need to have good shoes. The midsole itself is slightly firmer than other max cushion shoes, which I actually like because it feels stable and responsive without being overly soft. On recovery runs and long distance jogs, these really shine. I've taken them for 5K, 10K, and even longer runs, and they always feel supported and comfortable. For those of you at the gym like me, let me be clear, I don't use these again for weightlifting. The heel stack height, 41.5mm in the heel, and cushioning are designed for running, not for heavy lifting or squats. But for cardio sessions, whether it's treadmill, elliptical, or even high intensity interval training, these guys are an absolute dream. And let's not forget about style. They look sleek and modern, so you confidently wear them for errands or casual outings after your workout. Guys, you can even really wear them to the bar if you want, which I actually do sometimes with shoes, so I do that kind of thing. So here's a quick breakdown of some of the standout features within these shoes. Well, again, we spoke about it earlier, maximum cushioning. The midsole is highly cushioned for a cloud-like feel while running. As you can see, there's a bit of a close-up of the shoe just there as well, and you can see kind of the branding and how good it looks. It's got a durable outsole. Again, this is the Asic grip. Rubber gives a great traction and durability for road running. You see the shoes don't really move that much. They're very, very solid. Again, it's made with eco-friendly materials, so 75% recycled upper materials, and a solution-dyed sock liner to reduce water usage and carbon emissions, which, guys, is very, very important. And again, the Gel Nimbus is a range of Asic shoes as well, which are great. It's also got reflective details, so it's perfect for low light runs in the early morning. It's only really got a couple of things that are reflective, but it gives you a bit of shining on there. And the 8mm heel drop, which we spoke about earlier, provides a balanced and neutral stride. And the breathable upper, as you can see there, keeps your feet cool even on long runs. So once again, testing them out, well, the arch support was key to me. These shoes give me the support I need to run pain-free. I found them comfortable all day as well. Cushioning meant these shoes are perfect for long runs and recovery sessions. And also put these through their paces. So I went running in them, sprinting, walking, and guys, they still go great as well. So, you know, excellent shoes. I guess a couple of limitations to the shoes as well. So at 305 grams, they're not the lightest shoes out there. So if you focus on speed or tempo runs, you might want to get something lighter. And also, they're on the more expensive side. I mean, you are buying for Asics as well, but I think you need to invest in good quality shoes. Shoes aren't something you can really skimp out on. So final thoughts. If you're a runner looking for a dependable cushion shoe for daily training, recovery runs, or long distances, guys, the Asic Gel Nimbus 26 should absolutely be on your radar. They're supportive, durable, and incredibly comfortable, making them one of my go-to choices for running. Now guys, if you like watching this review as well, let me know if you want me to review any other shoes for you. We've also done reviews of a couple of other shoes, which we'll do here. We're going to do a shoe comparison video too, so you can have a look. Just make sure that you always try shoes on before you buy them. Make sure you get the right format as well, because coming to New Year, a lot of us started exercising. You don't want to be doing an injury. So check the links below for the description to win prizes. We're live reviewing these today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for joining us here at the Andrew Hough Channel. And here's to fitness all the time.